Hello, welcome to the next episode of Behavior Quick Tips. Today I want to talk to you about how to provide a positive correction or a reprimand. So this will work well for children and adults who are doing something that is inappropriate and you need to provide some sort of corrective statement. What you want to be sure to do is combine the stop behavior with the start behavior. In other words, tell them what they shouldn't do and connect it to what they should do. So for a child who is doing something inappropriate like fighting with their sibling, you can say, "Stop fighting." That's the stop behavior. And say, use your words to tell them what you want. Now for an adult, you might say something like, "I hear what you're saying and I see what you're doing, but I'm going to need you to do something different." So the stop and the start. Okay, so if you want more information about Behavior Quick Tips, go to my Facebook page, Clinician with a Mission, and my YouTube page, and look for more videos. See you soon.